Hello guys and welcome to Hackman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing to you how to recognize breakthroughs at different levels. So in the previous videos I've explained to you how to recognize a strong uptrend or a strong downtrend after the breakthrough at resistance and support level and how to trade those. But this video is all about how to recognize breakpoints at different levels, breakthroughs at different levels, and how would you trade them at different at certain situations. So let's get started with the video. Now as you can see that this is I picked up a random stock. You can see that for the breakthroughs what you're going to do is you'll have to recognize your support and resistance level. Now in this case I found this area as my support level, as my resistance level. Now you can see that this area acts as a resistance level for the price of this part, but as it broke this trend line it moved up, confirmed its position at two levels, and then after that it moved up because it was acting as a support level. Now because it was acting as a resistance level, now after the breakthrough it will act as a support level, sorry, and then stocks moved upward. Now you can see that for the most of the part they are trading above the trend line, above the support level. This is, you can say that this is a false breakout, and you can see that they are trading for the most of the part in the upside. Now this is a breakthrough. This is a strong breakthrough on the downside because it broke this trend line, confirms its position, and then it moved downward. Now you will have to wait for it to show you what it will do, what the next step will be of this stock, because you can see that at this point a strong bullish candlestick appeared, but we don't know what will happen next because it is generally a downtrend, and we'll have to wait for it to show us what are the results will it give us next. Now if you consider these areas, these two, one this one and the other this one, you can see that if you want to trade these areas, you can see that these are breakouts at these two levels, but are they false or are they true? So if they came back to their original position, you can see that they came back, confirmed its position that this was a breakout, but again it came back down and went up ahead. So you can say that these are false breakouts. In this situation, how would you trade these? Well, if you want to trade these, you will have to trade these in this area. You can see when they enter into when they enter into this level, because if you try to enter at this level, as it confirmed its position at this point, if you are trying to enter at this level, so what you can see that it again went back into its went back into the trend line, went back up, crossed above the support level. If you want to short your position at this level, what you will do is do not short at this level, because you can see that it came back down. Somewhere you'll have to take risk. Without risk you cannot do this. If you take a risk at this level, short your position, and then came back down, again the stock went up, you are trying to short the position but again it went up, so you'll have to close your position at this point. Because you can see that as this is a false breakout, you cannot long your position at this level. You'll just have to wait for it to give you the results that you want. If you want to short your position from below here. If the stock reaches below this point, because this is a great point to short your position, you don't know when to enter at this level, because you can see that as this is a false breakout, so it went back up and is trading upward. Again price rejection. Now this is a great point to long your position, because you can see that price rejection happened at the support level. Price got rejected at this level and the stock went up, so this is a great entry point. Again it came back down. Now at this time it didn't confirm its position, though it was a false breakout, it didn't confirm its position. You can enter at this level and move along the trend and sell your stock at any level. Now for this area, if you consider this area, it broke this trend line, went back up trying to confirm its position but didn't confirm and went straight ahead. So again if it opened below this candlestick, you can enter at that level and short your position and move along the trend. It's all about the candlestick psychology. You can see that at this level, the stock entered, sorry, the stock opened and closed between this candlestick, below the middle section of the candlestick, and again the candlestick for the other day opened between the opened and closed between the middle of the candlestick, and after that it moved upward. So this was the case at this point. You'll just have to recognize breakouts at this point. Now if you take a look at this one, this is a real breakout, and it did not confirm its position and went straight upward. So this is also a great breakout. Now let me show you this one. Now you can see that this one broke this trend line, the resistance level, and went up. But at this point you can see it tried to confirm its position. At this point it tried to confirm its position, but did not reach down, touch this support level. Instead it moved upward. So what it means that the bulls were much stronger at this level, and they succeeded in pushing the market upward, besides confirming its position. So they moved the market upward. So these are some of the things that you will have to notice. What about in this trend? If you want to trade this trend, sorry, if you want to trade this trend, you will have to wait for it to confirm its position. But in this case it did not confirm it, it tried to confirm its position. So you can enter at this level or this level. You'll just have to wait for it to show you what results will it give you. Do not wait too long, because at some point you will have to take a risk. Now let's see how much risk you can take. Make your risk this much depending upon your choice, what is your, and make your profits unlimited. You can see that they are unlimited at this point. So these are some of the things that you will have to keep in mind. Now what about this one? If you enter at this level, so how much will be your price? So if I consider it up till here, it would be 43%, or how much? Let's take a look at it. Can't see it. Yes, now let me move it down. 18.95% would be your profit at this level, and your risk would be 4.84%. So this is a great tool to use to calculate your risk to reward ratio. Now you can use this at different points. Let's say I would use it right here. 16.14% would be your profit if you short your position at this level. So it's all about taking the right step at the right time, entering the trend at the right moment. You'll just have to recognize those right moments. Now what about in this case? This is a side trend. So in this case you'll have to use support and resistance level, but those points should be below and above the trend. You can see that there is no clearly defined trend. So if you want to trade these stock, buy at this level, at the support level, and sell when it touches or is near at the resistance level. So this is the strategy to use to trade support, to trade a side trend. You will have to trade these with the help of support and resistance level. As you can see, buy here and sell above here. So as it moved up, you will have to move this above. So this is the strategy to use, because there is no clearly defined trend in this case. There are no clearly defined support and hard to find. They are difficult to find in this case. So you can trade them with the help of like this in your trend. So that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.